Some time ago we released our Mark II guide rail dogs, and since they've come out, people have been loving them, and you know, it's been a great way for people that are using the track saw for that. But we were always asked, are we going to make a longer version? And we have. Here is our Mark II guide rail dogs. This is the 95mm version, and this is the 40mm version that was released previously. We've also got our grooved adapters, which are not quite grooved, but it's a similar concept, and these fit onto our rail square here. And I'll demonstrate that for you in a second. The longer ones work exactly the same as before, where you can drop them in and tighten them up, but just gives you a longer stroke for working for thicker material. And it's got pre-marked holes for your collars to go in, but this one adds in the 40mm as well, just like the previous guide rail dogs. Now with the grooved adapter version, which is for the rail square, these work exactly the same concept. These fit into your rail square. These also fit into the Mark II rail square as well, and then you can set your height with the collars like so. So here, this occasion I will set that at 40mm. And this allows you to then easily slide your rail square in, and when using this as a fence system, as you can see, easy to come out as well. And there you have it. Hope you like them. Available on our website at benchdogs.co.uk. Thanks for watching.